We're here at Collegetown Center at the west end of the 5th floor hallway. We're going to the end of the hall, and then we go around the corner and we're going into apartment 508. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. Let's go on in and take a look. This is at the southwest corner of the building. We are on floor 5 of the 6th floor building. We've got the closet door open here. There is a hall closet as you enter. So that is great extra storage space for boxes, coats, luggage, things like that you would need in your apartment. It's nice to have that extra closet. And the kitchen, we've just gone through, but let's take a look. You have that stove, oven, the microwave, the dishwasher, the sink, the refrigerator, and you can see cabinets both above and below. So we came in that white door, and there is that closet door. Okay, let's go take a look at the rest of the apartment. You can already tell this has spectacular views. This apartment is so bright. This is really great. We are on the southwest corner of this building. And again, we're on floor 5 of a 6th floor building. We've got some seating for a dining table and chairs over here. Some more seating, another table. And before we go to the view, let's look out at the bathroom. The bathroom is over here. And that will have, you can see those 2 cabinets on the wall behind those mirrors, those both open, the large mirror behind the toilet and the sink. That vanity cabinet under the sink does open for more storage. The light, there's a fan above, and you can see the tub shower, which does have that sliding door on it. Let's go take a look at out the window here. So this window in the living room is facing south. You can see the heater on the wall. You can see the air conditioner below the window. All the windows will have their own air conditioner unit under them, and they will all have the mini blinds like this. So this is that full south view. It's absolutely beautiful. We are looking towards Ithaca College across the valley. This is a little bit towards the west. This is absolutely beautiful in all the seasons to be able to see this out your window every day. Here are where the bedrooms are located off of the living room. We're gonna go into room 1 first. This is on the left. This is the actual corner of the building. Again, we're on floor 5, so we're pretty high up. The bedrooms will have the same items, a full-size bed, a dresser, a bookshelf, a desk, and chair. They both will also have a closet. Both bedroom doors also lock. So this one has that wraparound window. We've got 2 views. We have that south view that we already saw. It's beautiful. And we also have the west view. The building's Collegetown Plaza. And if you look over towards our right, that is looking towards the north. You can see Cayuga Lake over there. We'll zoom in when we're in the other bedroom so you can get a better look. Here's the closet. Both rooms have the same closet. Let's go on into the other bedroom. Here's bedroom 2. This one is slightly smaller, but does have the more open lake views. Let's take a look in here. So you can see the desk and chair. There's the bookshelf. Here's our bed, the dresser, closet over here. Okay, we want to see this view. It's beautiful. And we're looking over towards our right. So you can see Dryden Road there ahead of us. On our right, you can see Cascadilla Hall. We're gonna zoom in a little bit. There's the original entrance to Cornell University, that Eddy Street gate right there, that stone gate with the ironwork above it. That's the original Cornell entrance. And you can see Cayuga Lake. That's looking towards the north. And that is a beautiful lake view of the south end of Cayuga Lake that you have here. Cascadilla Hall is that building on the right. That is the South Campus dorm here, right in our Collegetown neighborhood. Collegetown Center is located at 151 Dryden Road. We are just 1 block from campus here in the heart of Collegetown. This is apartment number 508. We have this style layout of apartment on floors 2 through 6 in this 6th floor building right here at Collegetown Center.